In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an attendance tracker in Google Sheets. If you're tired of tallying attendance by hand, this simple setup will save you time and reduce errors. We'll use checkboxes to mark presence and a formula to total it up automatically. I'll assume you already have an attendance grid in your sheet, with student names down the left and your days or dates across the top. If your layout is slightly different, don't worry. The same idea still applies. Start by selecting the area where you want to record attendance. This is the grid of cells where you'll mark whether each student was present on each day. With that range highlighted, go up to the Insert menu and choose Checkbox. Instantly, those cells turn into checkboxes. Each checkbox is a true or false value. When you tick it, the cell becomes true. When you untick it, it becomes false. That's important because it's what lets the sheet count attendance for you. Next, we'll add a running total for each student. Click the cell where you want the first student's total to appear. In my example, that's cell F2, next to the first student's row. Type the formula, EU's County, IF, B2, E2, true. This tells Google Sheets to count how many checked boxes appear in that row. The range B2 through E2 represents the attendance cells for that student. For example, Monday through Thursday. If your days stretch farther, just expand the range to match your grid. Press Enter, and you'll see a number appear. That number is the count of checked boxes for that student. To apply the same logic to everyone else, grab the small square in the bottom right corner of that formula cell, the fill handle, and drag it straight down through the rest of the student rows. Google Sheets will adjust each row automatically so every student gets a personal total. Now, test it. Click a few checkboxes across different days and students. Watch the total column update instantly as you check and uncheck. If a student has 3 days checked, you'll see a 3. If none are checked, it'll show 0. If your totals don't change, double check that your County EF range matches your actual checkbox columns. That's all you need for a clean, automated attendance tracker. Mark presence with a click and let Google Sheets handle the counting for you.